Certainly. Here are 5 rules that a confident man might follow. Self-acceptance.
A confident man embraces his strengths and weaknesses, understanding that perfection is not the goal. He acknowledges his imperfections and works on self-improvement, without being overly critical of himself. Positive self-talk. Confidence grows from a positive internal dialogue. A confident man practices self-affirmation and constructive self-talk, replacing self-doubt with empowering thoughts and beliefs. Courageous authenticity. Authenticity is key to confidence. A confident man stays true to himself, expressing his opinions and beliefs without fear of judgment. He understands that being genuine attracts genuine connections. Resilience. Confidence is not immune to challenges or setbacks. A confident man demonstrates resilience by facing adversity head-on, learning from failures, and using setbacks as stepping stones toward future success. Empowering body language. Nonverbal cues play a significant role in projecting confidence. A confident man maintains eye contact, stands tall with an open posture, and offers firm handshakes. He exudes approachability and self-assuredness through his body language. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative and educational videos. If you are watching us on Facebook, so follow our Facebook page.